talk about say people give out your address. Shani no give out your address. Me no give out your address. All we do, you come on live and you ball say your tongue, and burn off and you're sick, and all we do, I call the workplace just to check up on you if you're okay. Nobody never put on your number, nobody not show your number, nobody not show your address. So why you constantly say Shani put out the address? Why you constantly say, oh, me and Shani put out address? Me and Shani put out address, nobody put out the address, nobody push out your number. Nobody put out the number, and over there, and see, and not tell us nobody put out the number. She don't want to give me no time for talk. She don't want to give me no time for talk. Because she don't say I like. She don't want to give me no time. Anytime I say my dead out, I'm going dead out of this blood clot here. She don't want to give me no time for talk. Why? Because she don't say I lie. And Shani are the next blood clot, and make a call her. Hey, say she never go over Lady P live. Go tell her Lady P them sorry. This would reach far. Every minute she can't talk about say people put out her address. Nobody not put out her address. What she attack say? She's annoying no man. Anything goes around must come back. You never put out, you got like she never put out Ivan address. Somebody share that live to Shani. Can't be just this Shani. Share that live to Shani. Anything goes around, come back around. You never put out Ivan address. You never afraid they need kill her. You come and talk like you have blood clot play victim now. You never afraid they need blood clot killer. You never put out her address. You never did care about her. Every day, so come off from my life, shit house. I'm my life. Me never build my blood clot page. Me and you never build my page. If me look at your page, me know you not even have 3,000 blood clot followers. See there? Not even 3,000 followers in a half bitch. So that means you're supposed to come off from my blood clot page. You know, you can't with me. You know that my category leave. The football, yeah. I say if me they say lady pay a dead to blood clot, lady pay a stump on the live and dead. And me go look on her. It's too wicked. Too blood clot wicked. Oh. She talk about you most blood clotting, my love. You do Ivan the wickedest thing. You put out her address. You put out her blood clot address, you could make people kill her. Yeah. You put out her address, could make people blood clot kill her. You come to oh, because I was upset. You know, you could have class, I know if you put out her address. So you go like say you better, you know better. You're worse. You're worse. Because if you claim to say she love you, why the hell you go put out the address for? If she love you. If me know say somebody love me love her, me and them have one blood clot argument. You say if she never put out Ivan the address, she Ivan that be friend today. She Ivan that be friend. Because people more time, people more meet and them be back friend. People more time, people more meet and them be back friend. So anyhow, she never put out the address. She Ivan that be back friend today. But because she put out the address, that's why she Ivan is not any friend. You don't want me to talk for your life. You don't want me to talk and tell you the truth. When you're fucking wrong, you're wrong. You talk about never tear down the girl. Why do you never come out and talk about congratulations to Ivan when you look at tear her down? So you go like you better. You come go like you're perfect a blood clot. Every time I say change, you not change. But I come out here and say me change one day yet. Me never. You come out every day and say change, you not change. You're the same blood clot germs. Come go like say better. Every minute she talk about Shani and address. Every minute it's annoying. It's fucking annoying now. It's annoying. Every minute you come about Shani put out. Shani have address for you. Every minute she come talk about say Shani put out address. come talk about say, oh, me, and me. Eh? Me have your blood clot working number. If me did bomber clot wicked, me could have put it out and make them fire your blood clot. Me never do it. And I say, boy, me can't do that. Me can't go stop and that man food. Me buy anything you do, you know, it'll go fall back by you. One day it will come back to you, my love. One day it will come back to you. Anything at all. You could have report my page. You could have anything you could have do. One day, it will come back to you. Karma is a bitch. Karma is a bitch. Oh. It will come back to you. Nobody not put out your address. Me don't like it because every time she say people put out her address. And she don't want me talk. She don't want me talk. Me no want no girl come call me down. Cause no girl no boss me and me boss blood clot me. No girl can't come down a blood clot. No girl can't come down a me. And me start my blood clot show. No girl can't blood clot come down. You know what I'm talking the blood clot shoot. Where? Lady P me a talk about. Private, what's up, baby? Nobody not put out your address. Everybody just did curious and I wonder where you're gone. And everybody that worry where you're there. We are worried about you. We are fret about you. Somebody can't so evil and not have no heart. For somebody we are fret about you and not worry about you. And did it with you and pray. If you not even appreciate what them do. Yes.
Hi, Destiny.
Private. You see you? I apologize. I go apologize to Lady P. Make Lady P ever say give out, I put out address. You know, Shani, you put out address. I don't know.
No, I didn't.
Lady P, I say, girl, I'm 9 for true. Me and Lady P,
it is
9.
It really is.
It's a 9, Shani. It's really a 9 because then I don't like say put out Lady P address.
The reason I apologized to her, because she was talking and telling people that I almost got her fired. That's why I apologized to her.
Shani no go back. So she abwa. You didn't almost got her fired like she tell.
Yeah, that's what she said. She been talking all of that before I went on her live.
Shani, you go over there, you tell her sorry. And she say she talk like say you did turn on the phone and put out her number pan the media already put out her address pan the media.
Yeah,
and
she had tried to make it look bad for me. I don't know why though. Like, what did I ever do to Lady P? Why does she hate me so much?
I don't know, so you go. Shani growing up and me give the girl a number and tell the girl say for call the workplace because the girl have 2 phones in America. Because if me call the workplace, it'll go charge me a lot of money for call them in America. Because I call Jamaica what they charge me whoop of money. So I say Shani call it. Because she come on the internet and she's sick out and she are dead. She gone. We now go worry about her. I wonder where she gone. We are not friend, we not curious. She should have come and tell we blood clot sorry. And tell we blood clot thanks so we did FPR. You come here,
you know, it's funny.
Fucking evil, man.
It's funny to me.
I go just walk from your Lady P. I mean, I go ever talk back to your blood clot. I'm serious. You see, if you see me talk back to her, I'm just unfollow blood clot. You're too fucking evil, no man. You don't want to give nobody no chance to talk. You don't want nobody no talk. Oiko. You don't want nobody talk. It's scream record. So when you go watch your blood clot scream record, you know you watch a scream record. They're too fucking damn wicked, man. They're too evil. I'm gonna walk up by Barney.
But why she hate me so much? She telling people all these lies. She even throw my package out. Did you watch the video with her throwing my package away? Like that's so like, oh my God. I felt so bad.
Sorry for my God, I didn't turn on and bite, eh? I don't know why maybe I'm sorry for them my germs there. Maybe I blood clot do me things. Ever sorry for them. The end of the day, she dash a fair package and Ivan dash a fair package and she that cost.
Girl, I really don't know what be going on the internet because as you can see, I be out in the real world doing real shit. I don't really be on TikTok anymore. So, I don't know. I really don't know what be going on.
Every minute she says Shani put out her address. It's not like Shani put out her address or Shani give out her address. Guys, don't have anybody have a problem with moderator, no blood them. Anybody have a problem with Shani, please leave the live. You know what that mean, right?
This is how I talk, though. This is how I really talk. Them laugh. This is how I really talk. I live in America,
She come talk
so
like
this is
say.
how I
She come
talk.
talk like say. I'm gonna go my mouth. She come talk.